Want to see what I got for Popmart today? So I got this, which is a Crybaby shiny earphone case. I just thought she was so cute. It was the lashes, and the blonde hair. I love it. My little Crybaby. The other thing that I got was another shiny Crybaby luminous pendant blind box. So it's like a purse light. Oh, I didn't pick which one I wanted. So there's shiny model, shiny cowboy, shiny dummy, shiny sweetheart, shiny dancer, shiny singer. These ones. And I already have the cowboy. And then there's the secret. So I'm fine with anyone. I think I'd rather have the shiny dummy though. The purple. Why they gotta call her a dummy though? Let's see. Okay. What do we get? Oh, I didn't get the cowboy. I can tell that already. I think this one is shiny sweetheart. Cute. I got, this one is shiny singer. And look, it's her with the star. I love that. Matchy. So see, you can clip it inside your bag. Oh, I have to pull the. So see, you can clip it inside your bag, and then it lights up. Even changes colors. But it does come in handy to find things. So, love this. Bye.